More moments to cherish for sure. Lalong-lalo na inaabangan natin ng mga behind the scenes, care of Sir Joel Torre. Pero, now, we would love to get to know some of the details that happened in the making of Roja. And our friends from the media have passed their questions to you guys, and we shall start off with the question and answer. Parang beauty pageant. Okay, Sir Alan Sangkon from Stars Photog. I think he's here. Hi, Kuya Alan. He has a question for Donnie and Kyle, and his question goes, how do you prepare for your action scenes here? So far, ano ba yung pinakamatinding challenges you encounter doing this action teleserye?
How do we prepare? Well, una sa lahat, I just want to say thank you, of course. We keep saying thank you again, but to Coach Erwin Tagle.
Yes.
Napagaling niya.
Laking tulong.
He's really an actor's coach. He really helped us out throughout this whole process. Well, we didn't have as much time as we wanted pagdating sa training, pero masaya kami dahil tinulungan niya kami. He was there throughout the whole process. I feel like we were, towards your question po na how did we prepare, marami po kami mga training days. We had a lot of training and it didn't stop just sa studio niya. It also happened on set. May mga rest days po kami pero kailangan pa rin mag-training sa mga araw na yun. And I think more than anything, it was really, ang pinaka-importante para sa amin was to mentally and physically prepare ourselves for this whole challenge, which was Roja.
So aside from the martial arts, yung jiu-jitsu na training, tsaka arnis, or yung holding of a gun and how to fire it, one of the most challenging things for me was really the endurance and being sure that I was ready to go through those scenes over and over again kasi ilang takes yan, ilang angulo. First time ko gawin din to eh. I think Kyle has some action scenes already na shoot niya before. Pero ako kasi first time ko talaga na gumawa ng serye na yun talaga yung focus. So I really had to make sure na my body was prepared and it really took a lot. Kasi hindi biro yung minsan makakall ka tapos hindi mo alam ganun pala kalaki yung action scene. So you really have to make sure that you're not running out of breath and you're ready for the next scene. Tsaka yun, katulad ng sinabi ni Direk, si Direk Raymond kanina na palaging tension yung hinahanap.
And prone to injury.
Prone to injury. Marami rin kaming naging maliliit na battle scars dito in a good way. Kasi part talaga ng characters namin.
Yeah, just for the audiences to know, no? Direct, wala pong stunt double dito.
Wala.
Sila mismo talaga gumagawa ng mga...
Meron naman
May mga
direct.
parts lang na...
Si Iggy Boy daw eh. May kailangan na mga... Is Iggy Boy here rin? Oh, dumaretso na sa party si Iggy Boy. Okay.
90% sila yung nagpa-perform talaga. And kung may stunts man, special shot. Talaga.
Super
Like,
special,
for example, may mga drone shots na hindi naman kailangan yung artista talaga. So, better double na.
Grabe yung effort na ginagawa nila. And I have to say, ang ganda nung Dreamscape synergy. We have seen the mentoring with Sir Coco Martin and also Jake Cuenca. Ang galing ng mentoring. Now, he has LT. May scene ka dito na sinasanabunutan at sinasampal siya si Pressman. How was doing that scene with her and kamusta na makatrabaho siya ulit?
Hindi, actually silang nag-request na totohanin talaga.
Si Yasi po?
Yeah, si Yasi nag-request. Sabi niya sa akin, Tita, please, tawag nga sa akin. Please, talaga saktan mo ko.
Wow!
Hindi, ayaw niya sabihin kasi.
Hindi ako nag-request,
Siyempre, humble si
Hindi ako
Mama.
nag-request.
Siya ang nag-request.
Ako hindi nag-request.
Hindi ka nag-request.
Pero damay si Sir Raymond.
Grabe yung sunod.
Hindi sinabi. Nasaktan tuloy. Pero at least, nakuha yung totoong emosyon. Yeah, but last time you worked with Yasi was...
Ang
Provinciano, yes. Ito ang pabalik, Dreamscape, ang galing. Miss Janice de Belen, nakwento
Ang bilis na.
Grabe, kasi
Walang hinga yun.
ang tindi ng question from Ate Melbs eh.
Gano'ng kalaking challenge? Malaking challenge siya. Siyempre, nakakapanibago. Kasi, like I said in other interviews, it's been quite some time na since I acted in a teleserye na. Actually, feeling ko, lahat ng shows, if I would do a series, would be with Belle most of the time, diba? So for the past 5 years, well, 6 years, magkasama kami. And I think this is something we both talked about talaga. And she's also able to do, her own projects. So entering, I didn't know what to expect. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung magiging relationship ko with the cast members, kung ano yung magiging dynamics namin. And it's my first time also to do a project, syempre, na yung co-lead ko is someone na kaibigan ko rin na lalaki. It's very different, the dynamics. Diba? So that in itself, syempre, may pressure. But entering, I knew that it would also entail a lot of growth and maturity. And when you leave that comfort zone, parang dun mo rin nararamdaman yung mga emotions na hindi mo nararamdaman dati. Yung mga eksena na hindi mo nagagawa dati. And yeah, me and Belle are very supportive towards each other. And I think it's a very great position to be in.
Always towards about growth, di ba? Okay, di ba yun naman ang gusto nating lahat, growth. At may pinapasabi rin pala si Belle, it's okay to meet and greet, other people, but we'll never say goodbye.
Ang ganda naman nun.
Ang
Yun ang
ganda.
sabi na kanina, katabi ko si Belle.
At dahil dyan, panoorin niyo po ang Meet, Greet, and Buy.
Yeah.
Malapit na po yan. November 11 po, ang premiere. Ayan.
ABS-C.
Ang premiere. Premiere. Oh,
November
alam
12.
mo, mali ako.
November 11, ang premiere. November 12, ang
Premiere.
showing.
Yes,
Tama,
yes.
tama.
Oh, alam na alam ni Donnie
alam
yan.
mo.
Okay, another question for Donnie and also for Kyle, coming from Danielle of Star Express. This is your first big action drama in Roja. How did you get ready physically and mentally for the tough stunts and fights? Any funny ouch moments from training?
May funny moment to, pero hindi siya nagtitrain, hindi siya nag-action eh. May nangyari lang sa kanya.
I have a big scar on my leg, pero it didn't come from any action scene.
What happened?
Katangahan lang po na nangyari sa set. Okay na?
Ano nangyari?
Hindi, ito
Let's
na,
not talk
ito,
about it.
nakita ko kasi siya. Minsan kasi hindi kami magkasama. So galing sa ibang unit, galing din ako ibang unit. So gumaganon siya. Dumudugo. Sabi ko, grabe bro, ano yung eksena na sinut nyo? Sobrang solid siguro ng action scene na yan. Sabi niya sa akin, bro, nahulog yung speaker ko.
Ang lalim ng sugat.
Wow, ah.
Ang lalim ng
Ito,
sugat ko.
scar talaga. Oh.
Pero marami eksena.
Hindi, pero maraming eksena. Actually, I think lahat kami, we can all agree na after the scenes, the next day, the next morning, magugulat ka na lang, ang dami mong bruises all over your body. All of us. I think everyone that, because we all go through some sort of action in this film, in this serie. So, that's what we mean by literal na blood, sweat, and tears. Pero enjoy naman. It's part of the process.
Galing, no? Bugbog na yung emotion mo. Bugbog pa yung
Bugbog na
katawan
yun.
mo. Pero sulit na sulit. Kasi
Sulit.
ang ganda ng Roja.
Thank you, Kuya Robs.
Okay. Now, from Kyle, let's have Kai Montenola.
Medyo hindi ako makapaglaro with others hanggat hindi ko nakukuha yung character ko. Hindi ko naiintindihan. So alam ko, nakatingin na sila sa akin, medyo seryoso sila. Seryoso to, seryoso. But at the same time, I like it kasi nakita nila talaga yung character na meet nila. Hindi nila ako nami-meet. Kundi baka magtawanan na lang kami pag nakilala nila ako ng gusto eh. You know? So, I'm trying to keep my personal self away kasi baka matuwa